this wall is closed or there is a low suction. We need to have one PAL here or PAH downstream. PH is here.
PSH is there, no?
But PSH will not help, no?
Yeah.
See, if this wall is closed.
You have to enter.
Yeah. So if this wall is closed, how do you know that this wall is closed and there is no suction?
Because there is no
There is no sensor.
discharge, is no pressure.
Ahmed,
PSH is there.
PSH I don't mind because now this is the, if this wall is closed, then PSH will come into the picture. I want PSL, Ahmed. Bro, I mean, please contribute. I hope you are able to understand. I'm saying this wall 1601A is closed by any mistake, by human error or during startup. How do you come to know that this wall is not open? Only LSH?
Some cavity bomb coming with sensor installed inside the.
No, not some.
Okay,
Not some.
But about this.
Also that is on, sometimes we can add like a flow switch.
Flow switch. Yeah.
Flow switch. So you have to-
I will take one recommendation. Yeah. So now SOP control, only SOP control.
Put flow switch suction side because the
Sunshine point.
you have a PSH.
Flow or control or something like that.
But why is flow switch not?
Because those are not reliable.
No.
But if it is inside the vendor package, it is
Yeah, I
okay.
think it's better than the
But it's not inside vendor. The piping is with you.
For me, is it for
That piping is with you.
the control
Okay.
of the package as a control panel, as a pump, as integration, all control, PLC, all one package.
That is fine. But what is the control as of now? This is our recommendation.
Yeah.
But what you have to consider as of now? If you can just explain that to me.
Yeah, we can consider maybe for the somewhere to add the flow switch.
Yeah, that's also. So instead of adding a flow switch, you can ask them to add a flow transmitter.
Why can I feel switch?
Pressure switch.
No, different. All pressure switch, all flow switches,
Pressure switch.
pressure switch, you have to maintain the pressure. If it flows, then you're right.
Ahmed, for us, it is irrelevant either you are going to put FAL, FT of switch. I don't have any problem. Yeah, you put anything but my operator, they should come to know that there is something wrong. So I am going to put here, provide a flow transmitter or switch at the suction of the pump. No,
Discharge.
even discharge is also okay.
Discharge already you have PSH. So if no flow is there,